Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly create a second floor in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. In the Design tool, once the first floor plan is drawn, change the room height in the right side property bar to the total building height. Click to enter the Material and Component tool. Then flip the house plan to the bottom view and use the rectangle tool at the top to draw the first floor slab. You need note that if the layout is irregular, you can draw multiple floors by area. After drawing, hold down Shift to select multiple floors and click Group in the floating window. Grouping will make subsequent operations easier. Next, select the slab and click Duplicate from the floating window to duplicate the slab to the desired position. Click the Push or Pull tool at the top. Select the surface and move the mouse to determine the stretch direction. Then, input the desired distance in the lower left corner and press. Enter to confirm. This is also important to note. If the slab is grouped, you need to ungroup it first. Only ungrouped slabs can use the Push or Pull tool. The 2F is now completed. Click back to Floor Planner in the top right corner. Back in the Design tool, you can add door windows, furniture models, and other elements to complete the project design. That's all. Thanks for watching.